Hi splendid lovers, welcome to another amazing video. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you my favorite butter cookie recipe. If you sell cookies as a cake business owner, or you are looking forward to start selling cookies, this recipe is the perfect recipe for you, and you can also make this to enjoy with your friends and family. So what you'll be needing to make these cookies, you'll be needing 250 grams of butter. In my bowl I already have my 250 grams of butter. I'm going to add my powdered sugar, also known as icing sugar. Now you want to cream this until it is light and fluffy. You can also use your hand mixer for this process, but if you don't have that, feel free to use your spatula. You are still going to end up with same result. Now for you to know that your mixture is ready, you will notice that your batter is a bit lighter than it was initially. As you're mixing, please don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl, okay, to ensure proper mixing and everything will just incorporate perfectly. So once your batter is nice and ready, you are going to start introducing your dry ingredients, which is your flour, bit by bit, okay. I think I added this 3 times. So once you add a little, you mix it. Now for this part you will be needing your spatula, like this type I'm using right now, okay. You can see how I am gently folding in my flour. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome to the Splendid family. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new video. To my old and returning subscribers, you guys are simply amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I do not take your love and support for granted. So my splendid lovers, if you guys have any recipe video request or any topic you want me to talk about, like cake and food business topic you want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section, okay. Please note, if you are using your hand mixer to cream your powdered sugar and butter, don't use it for this step where you are to add your dry ingredient, which is your flour. You still want to do the same thing just as you are seeing on your screen, okay. Use your spatula to incorporate your dry ingredients into your batter. Once you have perfectly mixed in your dry ingredients, you are going to add in 1 teaspoon of your vanilla flavor. your mixture a proper mix and your cookie dough should be ready at this point. Now you want to get your nozzle tip and a piping bag. So you want to have more than one piping bag ready, okay, because this cookie dough is a bit hard, and just in case one piping bag gets ruined, you can continue with another, okay. Now fill up your piping bag with your cookie dough. Don't add too much at a time, okay, just add little by little so that it will be easy for you to pipe out your cookies. Get your baking tray lined with a parchment paper ready and begin to pipe in your cookie batter. So if you are familiar with butter icing, this piping process should be very familiar, okay, and it's not hard at all. If it's your first time, you just want to pipe this in a circular motion, okay, and just like you are piping a rosette, right? You can do any piping of your choice actually, okay. You can pipe it in whatever shape and form you like. Continue the piping process until you are done with all your cookie batter, and once your cookies are ready, take it straight into your oven and bake for about 15 minutes. At this point my cookies was ready, and you can see how beautiful these are looking. They are perfectly in shape, and trust me, they were so fluffy. You know that fluffy crunch you would want your cookies to have? That is how perfectly these cookies were. And once you remove them from the oven, you are going to place them in your cooling rack, okay. Just place them and allow your cookies to cool completely before you begin to package them or serve it to your friends and families. These cookies came out looking very nice, and trust me, they tasted even better. So you want to give this recipe a try, and trust me, you are absolutely going to love it. If you watched this video up till this very moment, thank you so much. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah, don't forget to give the video a like. I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.